Are you struggling to unite your Gen Z interns with your seasoned boomer executives? Or wondering why yesterday's leadership tactics just don't land with today's diverse teams? The secret to exceptional performance might not be more talent, but a deeper understanding of the generational forces at play. Welcome to the new era of intergenerational leadership, where diversity in age drives innovation, but only if you know how to harness it. Let's bust some myths. Boomers aren't clinging to old habits, and Gen Z isn't just glued to their screens. Each generation is shaped by unique historical moments, from post-war prosperity shaping boomers' loyalty, to millennials' digital upbringing fueling collaboration, and Gen Z's craving for purpose and flexibility. These backgrounds craft distinctive work mindsets, but also create perception gaps and friction. Leadership styles have evolved from command and control hierarchies to collaborative coaching. Today, organizations thrive when seasoned leaders mentor and share wisdom, and also when they invite insights from younger team members. Reverse mentorship isn't just a buzzword. It's a practical strategy that empowers junior employees and keeps organizations agile. So, how do you build real harmony? Start with genuine listening and empathy. Make time for open dialogue where every voice feels heard. Tailor communication. Blend in-person meetings with digital updates to respect everyone's preferences. Design policies that balance flexibility with clear, shared goals. Look to thriving companies embracing these principles. They report higher innovation and stronger team bonds. Leaders who adapt not only build better results, but lasting cultures of respect. The future of leadership is generationally smarter, not just older or younger. Start today by mapping your team's strengths, inviting fresh perspectives, and committing to continuous learning. Your legacy isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a workplace where every generation is empowered to excel together.